Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can dropship in Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now for this, you're going to need the point of sale module. I do recommend the accounting and inventory modules as well, and I do recommend that you search for another module which integrates dropshipping. So if we go into apps, I'll just type in dropshipping or dropship. And there might be some modules that are set up to help you with dropshipping. Not sure which ones they would be. You might have some paid ones which you can search up online, but I won't be doing that. What you can also do is you can set up products. So for example, just go over into, I don't know, Alibaba and search for any product you might want. Go into your point of sale, open up a specific point of sale, or rather just go into products, click on products, and here you'll see your products list. Here just click new and you just enter the name. So for example, t-shirt that you found on Alibaba. Then you enter the specifications such as the goods. You can track the inventory or not. Tracking inventory is needed if you're dropshipping. Set up the price of the item, which should be larger than the price you got it for on Alibaba. The cost is, for example, 50, where the sales price is 110. So for example, like that. Then you can set up ordered quantities, which is the best for invoicing in the case of dropshipping. Then you can set up the sales information, the point of sale information, inventory, and accounting. And once you're done with all of that and you've added that product, just save it, and whenever you get an order for that product, you just of course order it from Alibaba and enter the address and everything of the person that ordered it from you, and that is pretty much all there is to it. That's pretty much as simple as dropshipping gets. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.